When are we going to stop?
We'll stop at the next McDonald's.
How far away is that?
I think we'll be there in half an hour.
I hope so. I have to go to the bathroom. Well, I can always pull over.
No, thank you, I'll just wait.
We can kill two birds with one stone.
What do you mean?
While you're using the bathroom, I'll order some pho.
Don't order for me. I'm not hungry. I'm very hungry. I'll order for you, and then I'll eat yours. Conversation 2. Beat the light. This is such a long light.
Look how many cars are waiting in line.
They need a left turn arrow.
Only 2 cars can make a left turn every 3 or 4 minutes.
We'll be here forever.
Get out of this lane.
But we need to turn left.
Forget it. Go straight.
Then what?
Then we'll just make a U-turn.
And then we can turn right at the light.
Good idea. It will be so much quicker. Conversation 3.
Slow walker.
$140. I can't believe it.
What are you talking about?
I got a ticket downtown for $140.
Were you speeding?
No, I was crossing the street.
Were you jaywalking?
No, I was in the crosswalk.
So why did you get a ticket?
The officer said the red hand was blinking.
Was it blinking when you entered the crosswalk?
No, the white walk sign was blinking.
You should fight that ticket. I'll be your witness.
Conversation 4. Windy weather.
It sure is windy today.
Paper is flying everywhere.
This wind is dangerous for drivers.
Especially for drivers of big trucks.
The wind blows those trucks over.
It blows trees over, too.
A tree fell onto my dad's car.
Was there much damage?
My dad had to buy a new car.
Wow, that's terrible.
Never park your car under a tree.
The wind will get you, or the birds will get you.